Okay, what's up, guys? So the purpose of this video is to show you your brokerage companies and shipping and receiving app. Okay, so this is basically going to help you maintain those relationships, kind of see who you're doing business with, and things like that. You see everything is categorized, right? So we have our brokerage companies, and you can use the views here to kind of filter through. So brokerage company, we have our shipping facilities, we have our receiving facilities. So let's go into brokerage company, and we'll go to a company that we do business with a lot. And I just saw them up here, so I'll sort for last activity or last edited. So we'll look at XPO. They're now called RXO Logistics. But when you click on the company, you just want to scroll down and look at the related items. So now we can see all of the brokers, in this case, that we've worked um, with this company. And then we can click on that broker, which is going to take us to their information. And then we can look at the related items for that broker. So you can see that we're actually booked on a load now with the broker from that company. Clicking again. So we have our contacts. And then we also have some loads. So we'll be able to see all the loads that we've been on with this particular company. And you can see that we have a pretty good history with these guys. From van loads, reefer loads, power only loads. We have a good record with these guys. So that is your brokerage company and shipping and receivings app. And if you want to add a new company, very simply just click add company, put in their name, category. You can add location, phone number, or emails, any additional files. You can attach them there. But that is pretty much all there is to your brokerage companies and shipping and receiving app. Thanks for watching.